We've been dealt a Joker's Wild and been dealt a Wild Royal Flush. Royal Flush with a deuce, which is super sweet. There's a real question here. That's 500 credits. Do I throw it away and go for the Royal? That's 500 credits. It's a paying hand with one deuce. Um, but it's how many Royal Flushes could I make? This is insane. With one deuce, according to Bob Dancer. Royal Flush 5. Yep, keep it. I've got to keep it, he says. Which, I mean, holy cow, what if I threw it away and made it? The odds are I'm not going to make it, but I have made Royal Flushes. Of course, with a 4 draw, but it's still a draw. Oh my God. With one deuce, I got to take it. Oh my God, it's always going to be what if. Holy sugar. Okay, here we go. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's too late now. It's 500 credits though. That's what it is. Oh my God, did I mean, should I have gambled? I really wanted to gamble it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, cheers.